Brand new.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing some crochet butterfly locks. I'm going to be using the individual illusion crochet braid pattern. And the hair that I'm going to be using is from the YEBO store on Amazon. This is the YEBO 7 packs butterfly locks hair, pre-looped hair for distressed locks, crochet hair, 12-inch, natural black color, synthetic hair extensions. I got the 12-inch 7 packs in the color 27. Now this 7-pack order was $49.99, and they also have some other colors available too. I'll leave more hair information and a link to purchase in my description box below if you're interested. Alright, so her hair was still a little bit damp from washing it before she came to her appointment, and I'm just detangling it and putting some of my Honey Butter Babe natural hair butter, and then I'm going to blow it out with a blow dryer. And now that her hair is blown out, I'm going to go ahead and put some more Honey Butter Babe natural hair butter. And then I'm going to start sectioning out the front half is going to be for the connected braids. And then the back half is going to be the straight back cornrows. And this is what the braid pattern is looking like. There are 10 connected braids in the front and I believe like 7 or 8 straight back braids in the back half. In a package from the YEBO store on Amazon, they sent some colorful clips, a pair of lashes, and a crochet needle. And then there were the 7 packs of the crochet butterfly locks. And I used all 7 packs, all except one. One of them I ended up messing up, but pretty much I used all 7 packs for this install. Now, the color on these locks was really popping. I could really appreciate that. Like, you know, some of these companies, the color ain't quite the color, but these 27 locks were truly the color. And I really like the texture. It didn't unravel at all when I pulled on it. The one thing, the loop on the lock was a little bit like tight, but for the most part, I got the hang of it once I got along with the install. And I was also able to like stretch them out a little bit so I could crochet onto the braid. So yeah, there was no smell. They don't tangle. They're not too heavy. And yeah, they were really cute and full. So big shout out to the YEBO store on Amazon for these locks. Like I said before, more hair information and a link to purchase is in my description box below if you're interested. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'll be back towards the end of another video. Enjoy. Okay, so I ended up finishing off camera, and this is what it's looking like. Ah, it's really cute. And she could wear it in a middle part, a left side part, and a right side part. And I really love the texture. The color is on point. Big shout out to YEBO here on Amazon for these crochet butterfly locks. And I want to give a big shout out to my model, my client of like what, 7-8 years. She the real MVP, y'all. And I want to give a big shout out to y'all for supporting Styles by Honey. For more pictures and video, go ahead and hit up my Instagram at Styles by Honey with 2 Y's. And if you know, I got TikTok now at Styles by Honey. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. I love y'all so much.